Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno13 FS to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to. And then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OPPO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those categories, contacts and files, you need to select Allow a few more times to access those data, and then when you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now OK in the pop-up and got it in another one. Finally, decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and then point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait. Then close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!